What if the world mocked a genius? What if everything you thought was true was built on a lie, and the one person who knew the truth was silenced? This is the story of a mind so far ahead of its time, they called him crazy. Why did no one believe him? In a dimly lit lab, surrounded by torn notes and flickering candlelight, he scribbled formulas that would one day rewrite science. But in his time, they were met with scorn. At conferences, experts laughed, calling his theory impossible. They saw a madman, not a visionary. What made him keep fighting? What secret did he see in the math that everyone else missed? Night after night, he paced his dusty lab, convinced he was seeing something others couldn't. Glowing formulas seemed to appear in the air, a language only he understood. But the world feared his ideas. Newspapers flashed headlines mocking his work, branding him a fraud. Was the world just not ready for such a radical truth? For decades, his discoveries were locked away, his name wiped from the history books. Then, everything changed. A single, glowing particle under a microscope. An old experiment sparking back to life. Suddenly, the math that was once dismissed as nonsense started making sense. The numbers glowed, connecting like stars, predicting the impossible. The very theory that got him ostracized was now being proven in modern labs. A brilliant collision of particles, a flash of light, and a new headline. He was right. The theory they laughed at became the truth. This forgotten idea now holds the power to reshape our future, from futuristic cities rising through the clouds to understanding the very fabric of the cosmos. It makes you wonder, why do we so often ignore great minds? How many other geniuses have been silenced? What other scientific truths have we been wrong about all this time? Imagine if he had given up. Imagine if you stopped believing in your own great idea. What if the world finally started to listen? The theories that are mocked today could very well be the truths that change our world tomorrow. What idea do you think will be next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories of the minds that shaped our reality. Thanks for watching.